and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing trick art on hand and let's get started. So we'll be using black cloth as the background, and after that you're going to use a bit of red paint and you're going to paint it near the knuckle region. Now I'll be giving a second coating. And now we'll be using a bit of black paint. And now you'll be filling it up. So you must have noticed that the upper region is U-shaped and the lower region is the exact opposite of it. So if you don't do that, you won't get a 3D effect. So that's like the most important part of this entire drawing. After you're done, you're going to use a bit of white paint to make highlights, and make sure it's like dots and not a straight line. After the highlight is done, you're going to use a bit of blue paint to create that bruised effect, and you're going to blend it properly. And then you're going to use a bit of red paint and you're going to smudge it to make it look like it's bleeding. And then you're going to put a bit of red dots to give that blood effect. After the dots are dried, you're going to blend it lightly with water. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. Until then, see you in the next video.